Let me show you what the body composition feature looks like on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. So yep, on this watch, just like on other Galaxy Watch, we can also get this feature. So it's available in one of these styles. So you see body composition over here, and obviously we have to wear our watch first. Also, when measuring this stuff, basically also make sure your watch is basically a bit further up your arm. So again, way above this wrist bone. So something like this. This is probably the best position for it. So let's go. Okay, and then what we have to do is click measure over here, and we will need to confirm basically your gender here, also your height, yep, and also your weight. So enter whatever you have. Okay, it will also show you how to measure it. Okay, and we can start. So essentially we are going to take our arm and use these two fingers and simply rest them on each of the buttons. So you see these buttons are fully like, yeah, basically, so again, those buttons also act as sensors that simply like pass through a tiny bit of electric current basically through you to measure this stuff. So let's click OK, and again, these two fingers, and put it as I'm showing. Also, when measuring this, also do not touch yourself, so only touch those buttons. So I'm only touching basically with my fingertips those two buttons. Okay. Okay, and you see this is, for example, my result over here. What I can show you. And also, if you basically get some errors that this the watch says that it can't measure this, also maybe try to moisten up your fingers. So maybe simply like lick them even. So if you want to, so again, make sure they're slightly moist. Basically, if this watch gives you some trouble essentially. And also, we can obviously see our basically the body composition data later on in our phone app. So let's find it. Where do we have it? Okay, we have it over here. See, this is what it looks like. It doesn't have any name. So, yep, as you see, you can check also your past history for the body composition and see the same stuff here as well. Anyway, good luck.